Hello everyone, this is Hoda Ganji. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can create the doors. So I want to turn the door layer on. I would like to create one sub layer, and this is going to be maybe my door frame. So I'm going to start with the door frame, and I want to double click here. So this is actually my active layer. Okay, I can also change the color. That's good. Let's turn the door layer on. I want to also turn the layer 0 on. Okay, so let's start from here. We have a door frame. Let me make this a bit larger here. There we go. I would like to create a polyline for this curve, so I'm gonna type PL for polyline. I wanna draw this curve. Okay, and so I have a curve here, and if I have the edges of this door, I would be able to sweep. So I want to go with duplicate edge. I want to select this part, go with dupe edge, and I want to select this one, and this one. So the three edges are duplicated. And now I can select these three curves, hold shift, select the other one, and I want to join them. So the three are one single curve. Now I want to type sweep, select the rail. Well, basically this is the rail and the cross section is this one, and I can hit enter and again. Okay, this seems good. So this is the frame of the door. You see it's under the door frame. Okay, I want to create one new sub layer, and this is gonna be the door panel. The reason I'm putting them in different sub layers is that maybe it's gonna be easier to assign material later. I want to change this to like a gold color, and here I just want to draw a box. So from that corner to this corner, and it's gonna notice that my smart track is on. It's gonna end around here. Okay, so this one and that one are the door together. How about I rotate this object so it's gonna be closed? You can leave the door open or you can close the RO for rotate. The center of rotation is actually here, and I want to rotate it from this corner. You can keep ortho on to here. There we go. Okay, so I have the door, I have the frame, and feel free to select the door, hold shift to select the frame, and you can create a block. Base point of the block can be maybe this corner, and I want to name it as the door number 1 maybe. Okay, so we have the door. It seems good. I want to select it and I want to copy that to the other location. So CO for copy. I want to move it from here to here. If the door was open, you had to actually mirror it so the swing opening would be correct, but now that it's closed, it actually doesn't matter. Now I want to copy and rotate this door so it's gonna be located over there. There's actually a command in Rhino named as Orient. I want to use Orient. I want to actually, let me type Orient again. This object is going to be oriented. Do you want to copy that? Yes. So change the copy to yes. So from here to here, I want to copy that and orient it to here to here. Okay. So I oriented that door. I want to copy the door once again. So it's going to be over there. So let's go with CO. From here, it's going to be moved to there. And finally, I want to mirror the door so we have it on the other side. So I want to go with MI from, it's a good idea to turn the midpoint on here to here. Yeah, so that door is correct. I also need to create the interior doors. So how about I orient the door over there. So I want to go with orient again. From here to here, it's going to be oriented to here to here. So now the door is copied over here. You see that it's a little bit big for this frame. So I want to select the block, use X to explode it. I want to hold shift and select the frame, and I want to go with solid point on. And how about I check it in one of the views here in the front view. I want to select these points, okay, and I would like to move them down by actually from the end point. I want to move it down to here, and I can also type like 100 on this side. I can turn the ortho on. Okay, that's good. It's gonna move to there. So now the height is okay. I also need to change the width of the door. I want to turn the wall layer off so I wouldn't accidentally select that. I want to change this to wireframe, and I want to select these corner points, hold shift, select these corner points, and I can move them from here to here. There we go. Just be careful that you do not accidentally select something else here. I want to change this to shaded. I want to select this item and this item, and I want to block it as an interior door. Maybe the base point could be here. This is my door interior. Okay, now I can just copy or orient it over there. So I want to type OR. I know the height is the same. So from the copy should be set to yes. From this point to this point, it should go to this point to this point. Right? And then I can orient this again. So this time from this point to this point, it should be this point to this point. And I need to select the block to orient it once again. From this point to this point, it's gonna be this point to this point. This last door seems to be a little bit larger, so I want to turn the wall layer on. I want to use X to explode the block. Okay, then I want to select the two items, go with solid point and change this to wireframe, and just be a bit careful. How about I turn this layer off, select these items here, and hold shift to select the rest of the items here. Hold control, click here so the door itself is not selected, and now I want to move it from this corner to this corner. Okay, let's turn this to shaded and turn on the other layers. Now it seems good. I can select this door frame and the door panel. I want to make a new block from maybe this base. This is a door, it's interior. I want to add BR for barrier free. It has a larger width. Okay. Now let's take care of the double swing door. I'm on the door frame layer, and I want to use another polyline PL here, over there. Okay, and I want to use duplicate edge, so dupe edge for this item. Hold shift this one and this one. Okay, now I can select these three lines, which are the edges of the door, and I would like to just join them. So the 3 will be only one curve. Now I can go with sweep, select the rail and select the cross section, hit a space again. Okay, now we have the frame for this door. We can also create the 2 opening parts, so the 2 frames. I can switch to door panel. I want to go with a box from here to here. I'm gonna extrude it and it's gonna end right over there. Yep, and I want to repeat it for that other side. So I want to go with a cube from here to here. It's gonna go all the way to this edge. Okay, now let's see what happens if I rotate these 2 doors. This item, I want to rotate it. So let's go with RO from this corner. It should be over there. And this one, I want to rotate the door frame from this corner by 90 degrees. Okay, now let's see, there is a little bit of a gap here. So I need to move this over there, and I can move this and this panel over there. There we go. Okay, let's see how it looks like. It's not that bad. I want to select the 3 items, the 2 frames, and hold the shift and the frame. I want to make a block from, let's see, maybe this corner. This is my door and it's a double door. Okay, how about I kind of mirror this door? So I want to go with mirror somewhere around here, and I want to move this door. I want to go with move, so M. I want to go with project, so it's not going to go up and down. Move it from here to here. I want to turn the project off for now. Okay, so that seems good. I need to create the rest of the interior doors. We have one over there. So how about I use Orient again? So Orient. So Orient from this corner to this corner. I want to have it oriented to here to here. This seems good. I also have the same door over here. How about I go with copy this time, CO. From here, it's gonna be copied over there and over there. We have the same door over there, which is mirrored. So I wanna go with MI. I wanna mirror this door, use ortho, and I want to just use move to locate it in the exact place. Oh, this seems one of the bigger doors, so how about I orient this other one? So I want to go with orient, and from here to here is going to be oriented to actually here to here, and I need to move it a little bit further. I'll go with M. There we go. So now it's in the correct location and all the doors seem okay. Okay, so we have all the doors now. You see, if I turn the other layers off, all the doors are visible. In the next video, we are gonna talk about how to create the windows.